across the street over here. As if it's not a private property or anything. We got another one that's on my right and stuff, but it's what I'm talking about here. You don't get close to none of these Florida waters. Don't underestimate none of it. I don't care if it's that size. Don't underestimate it. Could be a snake. Anything could be up in there. That's that motorcycle shop that I was talking about. Yeah, that's somebody's property. There's a big old sign right there. It's posted private property, and so we can't go over there. But yeah, that's the rule of thumb here, man. Around any Florida waters, if you don't see anybody swimming in them, nine times out of 10, it's either private property or some kind of reptile living up in there. And most definitely, it's going to be some fish in it. There's a duck and there was a crane right there in front of them. But according to that sign, we're talking about no fishing in there. So there's plenty of fish. Most likely it's going to be bass or something. Let's see here. And definitely no swimming. So you know there's a reptile up in there now. Plus, too, I want to see how to get up out of here too. See, when you come to this Love, that's off I-95 in Ormond Beach on Florida. I'm just showing y'all what's here. That building that's straight ahead of me, that, like I said, that's Harley Davidson. sometimes have a gate entrance on this side where you can walk right into it, but I don't know if it's still open. No, it's not open. The gate entrance is closed. I know y'all can't see it, but it's straight ahead. It's right up there, behind them behind that flatbed driver and that reefer driver. But straight ahead in the cut right there. You can walk through that gate, and you can see all the stuff over there. So on your right hand side, all the way to your left hand side. But there, you can see. As of right now, they test driving the motorcycles and stuff, the Harley Davidson and stuff. But we gonna get back here and lay back down, y'all. Chill out. I'll feel a little guilty if I don't take y'all on the walk. A little walk and everything. But like I said, I'm here in Ormond Beach, Florida. Here at the Love truck stop. But we're finna get up out of here and walk around. Like a little pond back over there. But I'm gonna tell y'all something about here in Florida. All water ain't good water to swim in. Look like that. You never know what's up in there. Might be a alligator, might be a python. We'll go over there in just a minute. It's over there to my right.
pay for it?
Bueno, saca ahí 27,000. Vaina 26,000. Menos 21,740.
Bad news bears, huh? Or walk out without paying for your groceries.
Pero coño, cuando Natalie se le acerque, hasta ahí llegó el amor.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely.
I sure wouldn't mind one of them doggone cakes, but doggone cakes are expensive, boy. Shortcake donut.
Customer 72. Your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 3.
What? I need Danny. You need help? Danny. You need Danielle.
You need who?
Danielle.
Oh, so I can't do nothing? I done came all the way up here because Don asked me to.
What do you need?
I break my pocket.
What do you need?
Yeah. She could have did that too, but. I'm just saying, because Don's the one that told me to come up here. I'm just gonna go away. Don't ask me.
I'm sorry.
Nope, I'm gonna plug my ears and ignore everybody. Don't be a butthole.
Let it get station.
Take it out.
You guys have bread?
Hello.
Red, yes, we do. The end of that aisle, I think.
Oh, the end of the aisle?
No, you like you look right to the left, in the middle of that aisle.
This aisle right here?
Yes, right before the oil.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's gonna be a total of $13.33. Alright, you're all set.
All right, appreciate you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Anytime. All right, hold up, man. Come on, man. Who's time? You go. That's what I started to come in for. I started coming for a bag of chips. Just a minute, y'all. We're gonna walk over there. I'm gonna take y'all over there.